Good afternoon. I am General Mehta. I am retired and I am right now heading an organization called ATFL, that is Asian Townsville Farms Pvt. Limited. I am the chairman of that organization. I have come here on a visit to Amtz. I have heard a lot about it. What I heard was very, very minuscule of what I saw today. It is an incredible facility and first of its kind, which has been set up in Vizag. And I'm highly impressed with the facility which has been, I have been touring. I wish Amtz all the best. And the best part is that when I met the staff is very vibrant. I have been to many PSUs in my life when I was in the service. It's an incredible experience which I observed today. The kind of work you people are doing is amazing. And I wish you all the best. I can only say that the workforce, somebody asked Carnegie once, what do you value the most in your organization? He was the first, I think, billionaire under whom 40 millionaires were working. And he said one thing, the people, because the machines and the buildings, they don't make an organization. It is the people who make the organization. You have an amazing workforce and they are so young, vibrant, and I think they are making this organization great. And you have a leader, Dr. Jitendra Sharma, whose vision is amazing. Again, I have used the word amazing 3 times, but incredible vision he brings here. And I think he'll take Amtz miles and miles ahead and make it the best PSU or the jewel crown of the PSUs in the future. Thank you very much.